A treatment that can restore lost vision is closer than ever. Technologies that not long ago seemed distant now promise to correct even the most serious cases of blindness. What would it be like to live in a world where faulty genes are fixed and eye cells regenerate on their own? We're about to find out. What is behind this revolution, and why can it transform the lives of millions of people? And more importantly, how will all of this change the future of eye medicine forever? Secrets are being revealed, and every detail can directly impact the way we see the world. Enjoyed this content? Then don't miss out on the other videos on my channel. I'm sure you'll find something that catches your interest. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll stay updated with all the new content and help the channel grow even more. I'm counting on you. The new gene therapy technology. Imagine a treatment that can literally rewrite your body's genetic code, restoring the sight of those who no longer believed they had hope. Ocular gene therapy emerges as an unprecedented advance, promising to correct the genetic defects responsible for diseases such as retinitis pigmentosa and Leber's congenital amaurosis. By introducing healthy genes directly into eye cells, this technology reprograms the function of cells and even stimulates the growth of new tissues, providing a true revolution in the field of eye medicine. This is not science fiction. We are talking about a reality that is gaining traction in laboratories around the world, with clinical trials showing results that were considered impossible just a few years ago. But how does this technology actually work? The process begins with the insertion of a viral vector designed to deliver the correct gene directly to the problem cells. These viruses are modified not to cause disease, but rather to function as messengers, carrying instructions to repair genetic damage. This approach could save millions of people from impending blindness. The question that arises is, how long until this is available to the general public? We're closer than you might think, and the implications of this don't just affect vision, but open the door to new ways to treat genetic diseases throughout the body. High-precision laser surgery. What if I told you that we are on the cusp of an era in which eye surgery can be performed with such absurd precision that it looks like something out of a futuristic movie? The advancement of ultra-high precision laser surgeries is making this possible. These state-of-the-art lasers are capable of removing microscopic layers of eye tissue, correcting cataracts, myopia, and other problems with an accuracy never seen before. Surgeries are now faster, less invasive, and with drastically reduced recovery times. For many, this means the end of traditional long and complicated surgeries, with significantly lower risks. The technology behind these lasers is incredible. Based on advanced algorithms, the laser automatically adjusts its power and direction as it maps the contours of the eyes. This allows surgeons to perform procedures that were previously considered impossible, such as correcting extremely complex refractive errors. And the best? All this is done painlessly and with results that bring sharpness to the vision almost instantly. Imagine stepping out of an operating room and seeing the world with a clarity you haven't experienced in decades. This is the reality that many are already living, and this revolution is just beginning. AI-powered smart lenses. Now, visualize a contact lens that goes far beyond vision correction. We are talking about a lens equipped with artificial intelligence that can monitor the health of your eyes in real time and even automatically adjust your vision during the day. These smart lenses are designed to revolutionize the way we see and take care of our eye health. Through tiny sensors built into the lens, it can analyze eye pressure, measure glucose levels in diabetic patients, and even predict problems that have not yet manifested, such as glaucoma. But that's just the beginning. The true power of these lenses lies in their ability to integrate with other medical devices. Imagine that your eyes could send data directly to your smartphone or doctor in real time, allowing you to receive alerts about changes in eye health before you even notice symptoms. This advancement not only improves quality of life, but also redefines the prevention of eye diseases, anticipating diagnosis, and ultimately saving the sight of millions of people. We are entering an era where technology becomes a true extension of the human body, transforming the science of vision. Stem cell treatment for macular degeneration. Imagine losing your vision slowly, knowing that there is no cure. This is the fate of millions of people suffering from macular degeneration. Now, Imagine if you could regenerate the retinal cells that have been damaged, as if you were giving your eyes a new lease of life. That's exactly what stem cell treatment promises. These cells possess the uncanny ability to transform into any type of cell in the body, and are now being used to regenerate damaged eye tissue, offering hope to patients who had previously given up on the possibility of seeing again. Early clinical trials have shown promising results, with patients regaining some of their lost vision. The process is complex. Stem cells are introduced into the eye, where they differentiate into retinal cells, replacing those that have been damaged by the disease. But the real beauty of this treatment lies in the potential to advance even further, bringing the definitive solution to macular degeneration. In the not-too-distant future, treatments like this can be applied on a massive scale, changing the lives of millions of seniors around the world, who will be able to experience the joy of seeing clearly once again. Preventative care and adaptations for the future. As we eagerly await the arrival of these revolutionary technologies, it's crucial to remember that we still have a lot of control over our eye health. Prevention is always better than cure, and there are several ways to protect your eyes today. Did you know that food is one of the main weapons against eye diseases? Nutrients such as omega-3s, lutein, and vitamins C and E play key roles in retinal health and combating eye degeneration. Additionally, protecting your eyes from the blue light emitted by digital screens can reduce long-term damage. But it doesn't stop there. Regular eye exercises, such as focusing on distant objects and blinking frequently, help keep your eye muscles in shape. Combining good eye health habits with the new technologies that are emerging creates a powerful line of defense against future problems. Soon, you will be able to combine these preventive practices with innovative treatments, ensuring clear and healthy vision for many years to come. So, while new solutions don't hit the market, remember that your eyes need care today so they can enjoy the wonders of the future.